Today we seeing the topic about Vernier Caliper. First of all, Vernier Caliper is a combination of inside and outside caliper. In this diagram we see means this is a Vernier Caliper. In this Vernier Caliper there is a two scale. One is main scale, another one is Vernier scale. The main scale will be fixed on the fixed jaw and Vernier scale will be fixed on the movable jaw. Here we see means in this Vernier Caliper there has two set of jaws. One is internal jaw, another one is external jaw. Internal jaw is used to identify the measurement value of inside of components, and external jaw is used to identify the measurement value of external of the workpiece. Here we see means in this diagram we have locking screw, here the external jaw, here internal jaw, and empirical scale, metric scale and depth measuring blade. By the motion of Vernier scale we making the reading. The principle of Vernier in 1631. What is the principle of Vernier scale means? The difference between two scales or divisions which are near by not alike required for obtaining a small difference. The first instrument developed following Vernier principle was a sliding caliper. It was first manufactured in 1868 and it will be made of steel and brass. It consists of two steel rules and these can be slide along each other. A solid L-shaped frame is engaged with the main scale or the true scale and has each small unit as exactly 1 millimeter and the beam and the fixed jaw are exactly at the 90 degree to each other. It consists of movable jaw which also called as Vernier scale. The function of Vernier scale is to be subdivided minor division on the main scale into smallest increments that the Vernier instrument is capable of measuring. Some of Vernier have fine adjustment clamp rolled for precision adjustment. There is a locking screw to fix the movable jaw to take correct measurement. Measuring blades are used for measurement of inside dimensions. Depth bar is used to measure the depth of the product. Here we see means in this diagram we see means it is a fixed jaw, it is a movable jaw. Due to the motion of movable jaw, we making the measurement on the external jaw. So here by the motion of the movable jaw, the workpiece will be placed in between the fixed jaw and movable jaw. By the locking screw, we lock the jaw. By the intersect of main scale and Vernier scale, the reading will be taken on the Vernier caliper. It is the working process of Vernier caliper. Various measurements range include 0 to 125, 0 to 200, 0 to 300, 0 to 500, 0 to 750, 0 to 1000, 750 to 1500 and 750 to 2000 mm. These are the various range of measuring in the Vernier caliper. In this Vernier caliper, the calculation will be calculated by the least count of Vernier caliper. Least count of Vernier caliper equal to 1 main scale division minus 1 Vernier scale division. So 1 main scale division equal to 1 mm and 1 Vernier scale division equal to 49 divided by 50 into 1 main scale division. So 1 Vernier scale division equal to 0.98. Therefore least count of Vernier scale will be 0.02 mm. By the least count we calculate the range of Vernier scale reading whether it will be displayed by LCD or reset adjustment of storage measuring value and data transmissible will be available. Next we seeing the another type is Vernier height gauge. So what is mean by Vernier height gauge means it is one of the most usable instrument used for measuring the plane, step and curved surface. So it will be calculate the height of the plane, step and curved surface. Following the principle of Vernier caliper and also follow the same procedure for linear measurement. It is used to wear resistance special base block in the graduated bar held in the vertical position. So consists of vertical graduation beam or column will be main scale accurate. So Vernier scale can move up and down to making the measurement. Here we see means it is a Vernier scale, height Vernier gauge. So in this height Vernier gauge, the column will be considered on the base. Due to the column, the motion will be occurred on the Vernier scale. So due to the movable jaw, the height will be calculated on the Vernier scale and main scale and the process will be considered. Some height gauge are provided with dial gauge which makes reading of bracket movement by the dial gauge easily and exact. Nowadays, electronic digital Vernier height gauges are available to easily making the measurement of components in digital. They provide the advantage of immediate digital readout of measured value, possible to store the standard value in its memory. Digital presetting is also possible for entering the reference dimension digitally and automatically. So it is one of the digital Vernier height gauge. By the motion of the jaw, the height will be calculated on the digital value. Next we seeing the topic about Vernier depth gauge. What is meant by Vernier depth gauge means it is used to measure the depth and distance from the plane surface to projection. So the basic parts of Vernier height gauge are base or anvil on which the Vernier scale is calibrated along with fine adjustment screw. For accurate measurement, the reference surface must be flat and free from burrs. When the beam is brought in contact with the surface beginning measured, the base is held firmly against the reference plane. Here we see means it is a main scale and here we see means it is a Vernier scale. So due to the intention of main scale, the reading will be taken on the Vernier scale. The measurement pressure extracted should be equivalent on the surface being measured. The reading on its instrument follow the same procedure at that Vernier caliper. The Vernier and main scale have a stained chrome finish for reading with a beam and slide. The beam is made of hardened stainless steel while the sliding surface is raised for protection of scale. The battery operated digital Vernier caliper is also available with a high contrast 6 mm liquid crystal display have a maximum measuring speed of 1.5 meter per second. This is one of the depth micrometer. So due to the depth of the main scale and the reading will be taken on the digital. So due to the depth of main scale, the Vernier scale and main scale will be intersected and the reading will be calculated on the digital form. It is the process of and working of depth Vernier caliper. So these are the various types of Vernier caliper we use.